Hi, Corey. I got your email regarding how to import past numbers into the template and just wanted to show you how that works. I'm going to go ahead and just click Edit on your 2021 budget here. And it's really not necessarily an import, if you will, but I will show you how you see that information anyway. So what we will do is when you go to line items here, for example, and if we're in rooms, we'll uncheck the show used items because obviously at this point, none of them are used. So you can see all of the different account names here, and of course the drivers here. What you don't see is any information about last year or previous years, things of that nature. So there's two steps on what you want to do to bring that information into here. Start by going up to Compare To, and what you can see is it will pop this box up here, and you can actually tell it what year you would like to compare to. You can either do actuals, which is what I would recommend, of course, for the prior year, which in this case would be 2020, or for 2 years prior. Because of COVID and things like that, I would maybe go back to 2019, but you can decide how much is changing from each of these years to kind of make that decision. So yeah, so let's just do 2 years prior, and I'll hit OK. Okay. It'll take a second for this to load, and it'll of course let you know when it's done here. Loading now. And by a second, I mean anywhere from 1 to 30 seconds, depending on when I've done this. There we go. Okay. Now, that information, of course, has been brought in. You still don't see it on the screen because the final thing we need to do is click Show Comparison Data. Okay. Once we do that, you now do have the Compare To information loaded over here. And you can see a total variance area now based on what we end up putting in for the driver amounts. If you go to, let's say, we'll do cable, and we click edit, it tells us, of course, that cable was $1,194, and we can go ahead and put that in 94. Okay, and of course there wouldn't be any variance. We can hit save. And now that's all been put in there. After we officially save this is when this will go ahead and calculate. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Okay. Or it won't, and it'll make me look wrong. However, it is now in here correctly, and your Compare To totals are present. So at least we do have that. And of course, you can put notes in, do all of the same things that you used to do. And then here's, don't forget the linking feature where we can take that cable if it was a consistent monthly expense and link it to all periods. So, all right, that's all for now. Talk to you later.